Hello children, how are you? Myself Mrs. Tanuja Dhiren Yagnik. Today we are going to study agriculture part 2 or second video of agriculture lesson geography standard 7th. Before we start with the second video's explanation about agriculture, let's revise what did we study in video number 1. In video 1 of agriculture lesson, we had taken information about scope of agriculture. Afterwards, we had taken information about resources in agricultural occupation. Then we studied changes in the agricultural practices. We had studied in that nomadic life, invasion of cultivation, stable life. Afterwards, we had taken information about allied activities in agriculture. In that, we studied animal husbandry, dairy farming, sheep and goat rearing, poultry, rearing of other animal. Afterwards, we studied about beekeeping, pisciculture, sericulture, and nursery. These all points are we have covered in video number 1. So let's start with types of farming. Different types of farming have evolved due to geographical and cultural diversity, technological differences, purpose and aim of farming, methods of farming, the crops being cultivated, the techniques used and land use, etc. First type of agriculture, that is subsistence farming. Subsistence farming is also called traditional farming. The following are there are two types of subsistence farming. In that, first is intensive farming. Intensive farming is carried out in one and the same farm for years together. It is mostly seen in developing regions. Second type of subsistence farming is shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is a primitive type of a cultivation. In this type of a farming, every year a new area is chosen for cultivation. After a specific period of time, old areas are again used for cultivation. People involved in shifting cultivation, they also practice allied occupations. Let's take information about commercial farming. Commercial farming is another type of farming. The following are the three subtypes of commercial farming. First is extensive grain farming. This type of farming is carried out with the help of the machines. A single crop cultivation is the striking features of this type of cultivation. This type of farming is mainly carried out in the temperate grasslands region. The second type of commercial farming is plantation farming. This type of farming is mainly practiced in hilly tracts. Local manpower plays important role in this type of farming. A single crop cultivation is the main feature of this farming. This type of farming is practiced in tropics. It is practiced in India and other South Asian countries, Africa, South and Central America. Third type of commercial farming is market gardening. This type of cultivation is developed in modern times. In this type of farming, farmers cultivate vegetables and other items in the vicinity of urban centers to cater the demands of city dwellers. This type of farming is also known as a truck farming. Again, market farming or market gardening is divided into following subtypes. First is horticulture. In this type of a farming, modern as well as traditional methods are used. Different native and exotic fruits are cultivated in fruit farming. In the cities like Mahabaleshwar, Panchgani, Pune, Nagpur, Jalgaon, Nasik, etc. of Maharashtra, horticulture is practiced on a large scale. Countries having Mediterranean climate, France, Italy, etc. are famous for fruit farming. Next is floriculture. In this type of a farming, modern as well as traditional methods are used. A variety of flowers are grown in this type of a farming. Countries having Mediterranean climate, France, Italy, etc. are famous for floriculture. Next type of a farming is known as a agrotourism. Let's have information about agrotourism. Agrotourism is a new field of a tourism. In the tropics, there is a greater scope for agrotourism. It is a total new concept. City dwellers are curious about farmers' life and environment. It means the people, those who stay in city, they were not having sufficient information about farming and they are very curious about the life of farmers and environment. Many of them visit rural area to see the rural life. Agrotourism is financially beneficial for the farmers and the village where farmers stay. Let's take information about artificially ripened produce and naturally ripened produce. At times, in order to get the produce earlier, artificial chemicals, pesticides are employed profusely. These facilitate quicker production and the produce appears fresh and attractive. However, such products are harmful to the health. On the other hand, naturally ripened produce are very good for the health. Let's take information about the market system. Marketing systems are necessary for marketing the good produced by the farmers available to the consumer at a fair price and in time. The importance of marketing system in countries like India can be explained with the help of the different points. First, scattered nature of agriculture. Second, lack of organization of farmers. Third, weak economic condition of farmers. Fourth, perishable produce. Fifth, produce used as a raw material in industries. Availability of international market due to globalization. Great demand from hotel industries and malls. This is all about the market system. This is all about the agriculture part 2. So let's revise what did we study in the second video. In second video we had started taking information by types of farming. There are total two types of farming, subsistence farming and commercial farming. In subsistence farming is divided into two types, that is intensive farming and shifting cultivation. Commercial farming is also divided into three types, extensive grain farming, plantation farming and market gardening. Market gardening is again divided into two types, that is horticulture and floriculture. Afterwards, we had taken information about agrotourism. Then we also studied about artificially ripened produce and naturally ripened produce. And at the end, we had taken information about marketing system. This is all about the lesson agriculture. After this, I am going to give you the assignment which you people are going to write in your classwork notebook. Till that time, bye bye. Take care. Stay home, stay safe, and stay happy. Bye bye.